winners and losers. Turn the pages of my life. We're beggars and choosers. With all the struggles and the strife, I got no reason to turn my head and look the other way. We're good and we're evil. Which one will I be today? The saints and sinners. Life's a gamble and you might lose. There's cowards and heroes. Both have been known now to break the rules. There's lovers and haters. The strong and the weak will all have their day. We're devils and angels. Which one will I be today? Are you happy now with all the choices you made? Are there times in love you know you should have stayed? Will you compromise then realize the price is too much to pay? Winners and losers. Which one will you be? There's a light and a dark side. Standing at the crossroads, there we'll meet. There's prophets and fools there. The lies and the truth will be at our feet. I got a reason to turn